Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your region, language and currency on Opodo account. So first we're going to go to our Opodo app. Then next we're going to click on the profile section on the top right corner. Then on account and settings. So as you can see there's the region, language and currency option. We're going to click on it. So now it's set on the rest of the world mode. You guys could change it. For example, I chose UAE. So as you can see it's going to personalize the app for us. You can open the app again, and as you can see, it's in Arabic. It personalized the app for us. So it's going to load your booking. You guys could continue in searching your trips and doing what you used to do usually. So this is how we do it. It's an easy tutorial. Make sure to check our other videos as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.